You just ate an entire chicken parm. A whole chicken. Do you have any idea what you've done? It was $20.
Hello, Miss Margaret. Do you want to go shopping with me?
Yes, I love shopping.
You have been brought to trial before the High Council to answer for your crimes against Unicornatopia.
Mercy.
You have been sentenced to be thrown into the pit, torn limb from limb. Dear God!
Defeat me.
I love it.
Scar! Behind you, it's squishing you! Scar! Oh my!
So where's this dog I keep hearing so much about? Oh, he's right here. That's a grown-ass man. Yeah, he's a little old, but hey, who said you can't teach old dogs new tricks? Ready, watch this. Speak? What's up, bro?
Good boy.
Yeah, he just spoke English. That's an actual human being. Yeah, I guess he kind of does have, like, that human-like personality. Because it's a fucking dude. I feel like we're drastically overlooking the fact that this is just a guy on all fours that you keep in your house, or? He's actually a rescue. Did I mention that? What does that even mean in this context? It's a shame. I found him out wandering the streets all by himself one night, so I took him in. I was walking to class one day and he just grabbed me. Okay, what's your name, dude? I call him Snowball. It's actually Dennis.
There's no such thing.
Alright, everything is giving me anxiety right now.
Don't feel anxious, dear friend. We will be fine.
Kazuha.
Just to hear my brother say, yo, what's up, what's not? Moves ain't sticking, water ain't sticking, it looks like a feather from the back end of the chicken.
7-1. Pussy tight, pussy clean, pussy fresh, pussy.
Ouch.
Hell yes, I am.
Hey Lynn, what do you think about your mama Miko?
Mama.
Hey, what do you think about your Uncle Gak?
Uncle.
Hey, what do you think about your Aunt Luca?
Aunt.
Now, what do you think about your sister Rin?
Sister.
Now, what do you think about me?
Aunt.